Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing the Portronics Toad 24 wireless mouse. Let's check out what we get inside this box and see its feature. So here's the packaging. On the front we can see the mouse design and its back. The key highlights are listed. The Toad 24 wireless mouse with 2.4 wireless USB receiver, comes with a nano USB receiver and has 3 DPI levels: 800, 1200 and 1600, and it's well compatible with laptops, desktops and even smart TVs. So here's the box. I bought it from Flipkart for around 380 rupees or something. So let's unbox. So let's open it up. Inside the box we get the wireless mouse itself. What else? We have some warranty cards. Keep this aside. Here we have the mouse. Start removing. Okay. Yeah. So here's the mouse. Feels compact, lightweight, and feels pretty comfortable in hand. The design is minimal and portable, making it easy to carry also. Okay, they've got it this other way. The receiver. The nano receiver is stored here in the bottom, so you won't lose it. Just plug it into your laptop or PC and you're ready to go. Okay. They are not given sliding. They are given this type. Okay. They are given this on-off button also. Yeah, feels pretty good. You have one button here, one, two. This is for DPI and the scroller. Yeah, good rest in hand. Yeah, it's built pretty well. Thank you for watching.